Hey guys, welcome back. I'm here to give you a review or open box of the Galaxy Buds Pro 3. These are available on the Samsung site right now. Full price is $249.99, but they still are offering that trade-in thing where you can trade in like the old pair, like the first version of them, and get $100 off, and probably some other ones. It was like a whole bunch of different options you could trade in. But I got this pair for about $130, something like that. Just a note, I am coming out of the Buds Pro, the first generation of these, and these were okay headphones. I did have some gripes about them. One thing I didn't like about them is the fact that they are very top heavy, like when they're in your ear. So if you're speaking or moving around a lot or eating, they tend to start to wiggle out of your ear, and it's just like you're constantly readjusting them like in your ear, and it just drives you crazy. The other thing I noticed is that it sounds like crap when you don't have ambient mode on. When you have ambient mode on, these sound really good. But the downside is that ambient mode will actually start killing your battery pretty quick. I feel like when I'm in ambient mode and I'm listening to it, not even on a really loud volume, I'm probably down 50% within like 1 to 2 hours, something like that, maybe close to 3. So I'm hoping a lot of those things are corrected with this one. I mean, my preliminary test showed me that it has. I did open it to make sure there was a charge and make sure that, you know, everything was working. But let's get the box open and see what's in here. I have taken advantage of a lot of the free headphones that Samsung has offered with new phones over the years. So I'm pretty bad. Like, I got like a pair of headphones like everywhere, but these will probably live in my truck. So the first thing that's in the box is you get a quick little fitment guide as well as like how to pair it, but I didn't really need this. Just for information purposes, the app does really walk you through a lot of the features and settings and things of that nature, so you really don't need the instructions. And the lid, you get, as soon as I open it up, you get your charging cord, because heaven forbid you should get a plug with it. You get some ear pads that are tucked away inside of that little sleeve. I usually am okay with the ear pads that it comes with. And then you get some more instructions that kind of walk you through some things, but it's not a whole lot here. I think, again, I feel the app will probably walk you through more than the instructions will. So the actual case itself, it comes with a nice clear see-through case, so now you can actually see that your buds are in there and not have to guess, like, are they in there, like you will with this closed one. There's a reset, or not a reset button, there's a sync button on the bottom to hook it up to Bluetooth, and then you have your charging port on the bottom. When you open it up, you get your green light on the front, tells you that the case is charged, and you get a red and blue light. And then there are lights along the sleeve of the actual headphone, so that does light up. It does have features of swiping on that part, squeezing, and then I think a tap, so something like that. I can't remember everything, but again, the app will walk you through a lot of these things. Just to kind of put it in the ear and have a comparison, so you can kind of see like how this one is barely noticeable, but this one is right there. So again, like, it's very top heavy, so it starts to come out of the ear after a while, but this one feels a lot more stable. Like, you know, I feel like just as I'm speaking right now, I don't feel like it's moving around, and I don't feel like I need to really adjust it. I may change the pads, I don't know, maybe they have a smaller pad on here, but it still feels pretty good. It feels light, you know, it doesn't feel as bulky as this one does. So let me put this back. But I did test it out, and so here's what I found. The regular mode in this, like non-ambient mode in this, sounds like ambient mode on this. Like, ambient mode on the old one sounds really good, but regular mode on this sounds like ambient mode. So ambient on these is absolute fire. It is definitely great. It has a really nice equalizer setup, so you can really customize the equalizer, unlike you can with this one. This one has a very generic, like, you know, maybe 3 or 4 different equalizer options. I think this one has like 8 plus a custom setting, so you get a lot more options with this one. So I definitely think I'm going to be happy with these, but I just wanted to kind of give you guys a quick look at the new Galaxy Buds 3 Pro and give you my opinion in terms of like how they compare to these. So I definitely feel like this is a step up if you're thinking about skipping 2 generations and going from number 1 to 3. All right, so thank you guys. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more stuff. I'll catch you later.